Are you want to do clean carpet at home with machine? Here is how to clean carpet at home with machine. If you want a professional carpet cleaning tips step by step, you must watch the video and subscribe to the channel before watching the video. If you want to watch such videos, please like, share and comment. There are numerous significant elements to consider before you enlist an expert rug cleaner to clean your floor coverings or upholstery. Before you book your floor covering or upholstery clean, it's wise to figure out their technique for cleaning. All things considered, your sensitive decorations are in question here. Apparatus, this is a decent one. Put forth the attempt to ask what hardware they use. There is heaps of underpowered cover clearing frameworks out there. No unforgiving synthetics are utilized. Our bit-by-bit cleaning process that conveys remarkable brilliant outcomes. Step 1: Inspection. Preceding cleaning your rugs, we complete a full investigation of the rug, really taking a look at the strands and support and noticing any unimportant issues with the rug. Step 2: Dry soil extraction. We pre-vacuum all regions of the rug. This is a vital piece of our cleaning cycle and it's not to be neglected. For what reason is it significant? Utilizing a business vacuum cleaner can eliminate up to 80% of dry ruining. An expert dry soil extraction toward the beginning will empower an unrivaled, profound, spotless, and extraordinary outcome. Step 3: Unique pre-stain treatment. We treat all stains beforehand to ensure complete removal of all the stains that are treatable. Step 4: Specialist pre-spray. We utilize an exceptional cleaning arrangement that separates every one of the soil particles and kills every one of those nastiest in your floor covering like infections and microorganisms. The magnificent thing about this novel arrangement is that it's eco-accommodating, child-protected, pet-protected and extraordinary for asthma and allergen victims. No brutal synthetic substances are utilized. Step 5: Pre-grooming. This is likewise a vital stage in our cleaning cycle. What's the significance here? Indeed, we utilize a machine that brushes the arrangement into all the rug strands, releasing all the soil and nastiest and separating them so they are prepared for the subsequent stage. Step 6: Rinse and extraction. Presently here is where the enchantment occurs. We utilize one of the most impressive floor covering cleaning machines available. Our machine washes the rug with water and at similar times it concentrates this dampness and soil back up into the machine and out of your floor covering. Our machine extricates 95% of dampness from your rug, leaving them delightfully spotless, new and fleecy and dry in 4 hours. Step 7: Protective foil tabs. Your furniture is positioned back onto the carpet with protective foil tabs and styrofoam blocks under the legs. This is to prevent a color stain from the furniture that may leach onto the carpet while it is moist. Step 8: Inspection. We examine the rug exhaustively with you and guarantee that you are 100% totally content with the outcomes. Sound great? I can guarantee you it is. You can be guaranteed that we will do our most extreme to get your rugs looking perfect. We examine the rug exhaustively with you and guarantee that you are 100% totally content with the outcomes.